Hey guys! Ooh, I can see my own shadow. I'm easily entertained. Okay, just a quick video today. So I'm going to be cleaning some quartz crystals. So I thought I would show you guys how I do it. So quartz crystals are often stained with iron. So let me give you an example here. So here's oh wow, it's going to be hard to see in the lighting. There we go. Oh wow, this is so cool. Wow, this is a neat cluster. So yeah, see that iron staining on it? That's from like iron oxide, I think. Usually there's like iron minerals and clay kind of packed around these when they find them. So you can use a product called Iron Out. So it's actually a rust stain remover. Here, let me show you. So you can get this on Amazon or whatever. It's like a powder. So you don't want to breathe the dust or the vapors. So see, I'm actually doing this outside. So we are going to we're going to create a solution with water and iron out, and we're going to soak the crystals in it. And I have it on an electric burner there. And you can do it without the burner and just use warm water and let it soak for a few hours or even a few days. But it works better if you have some heat. So you don't need to boil it, but if you have nice hot water, it will do a better job cleaning the crystals. So the ratio that you need, here, let's take this up. Is my water getting warm? Yeah, kind of. Okay, the ratio that you need is you want a 1/4 cup of iron out per gallon of water. So I actually have 2 gallons of water. I'm going to make sure not to breathe this powder. We'll be a little generous too, so see? Okay, and then when I'm actually putting the stuff in there, or if I think I'm going to get the liquid on my hands, I'm going to put some rubber gloves on. So far, I don't really need them. Mainly keep this, you don't want to get this stuff in your eyes, and it can also be a skin irritant to some people. Okay, so let's stir this up a little bit. Here, I got a bamboo stir stick. Okay, let me get this stirred up, and I'm actually going to go get some rubber gloves, and we'll take a look at the other crystals we're going to be soaking. We got one really, really crazy one to soak. Okay, I got that stirred up, and it's all dissolved. I can't see any more powder in there. If you guys want to mix up a smaller batch, if you just have small crystals, I guess just like one cluster like this, you can do a small batch. It'll just be 1 tablespoon of iron out per 4 cups of water. So, okay, we already looked at this one. Man, that's so cool. We'll have to see how nice it comes out. Look at all these crazy little ones that are like fused to it. That makes it a really neat cluster. Okay, we got another small one. It's got a nice big old fatty crystal on it, but nothing too crazy. And then we have the craziness. Are you guys ready for this? Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Look at this. There is just crystals just going every different direction on this thing. Even really fine little ones. Look at. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the sun's coming out. That's good. Look at this thing, guys. Wow. Okay, so yeah. Hopefully this one gets nice and clean. Wow, wow, wow. I took a photo of it so we can do a before and after. Okay, I'm going to set it in. I probably didn't need to do 2 gallons, but I thought 1 gallon it might not. Well, yeah, I don't know. 1 gallon might have worked, but whatever. Okay, whoops. Don't worry, everything's fine. Yeah, I think I went a little overboard on the iron out, or on the quantity that we did. Okay, should we look in there? There we go, guys. Oh, we can't see. Okay, yep, they're completely submerged, and they're just gonna chill in there and de-ionize. So, just because this isn't gonna get very hot, so I'll put the lid on it. and we'll check back with it in a couple hours. We'll go do a different video while we're waiting. Okay, guys, it's actually the next day, so I got kind of busy, and it started raining and whatnot. So what I did is I left the heat on for about an hour and a half, and I kept peeking in there. And after that, like I said, it started raining, and I got busy. So now it's been 24 hours. Let's see. I hope there's not a raccoon in there. Ah! Okay. Ooh, it looks good. It looks about the same as after the first hour and a half of with the heat being on. So let's check them out, guys. Wow, wow. Here, let me make sure. Wow, that is day and night difference. I don't think I took a before photo of this one, but we did take a video clip of it. Wow, wow. That's really nice, guys. I'm going to rinse these off with the hose off camera when we're done. Okay, let's get this second one out. Yeah. Beautiful. Look at how great of a job it does. So what I notice, especially on the big one, you'll notice there's spots with the iron that's like underneath the crystal. So if the iron out solution can't get to it, then obviously it can't get rid of it. So, oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. It's beautiful. Really, really, really nice. Okay, let's check out the big one, guys. Here we go. Give it a rinse. Here, let me drain it. Wow. Look at this, guys. I'm trying not to... there we go. Okay. Trying to stand so the sun can hit the darn crystals. Wow, this is really cool. So yeah, there's a lot of spots actually where the iron must be kind of locked in, like underneath the crystal. But it cleaned it all off of here. So actually, I don't mind at all. I mean, this is cool. Wow, this is such a neat specimen, guys. We can do a before and after. I'll take a photo of this, and we will check the before and after. Let's look at that now. Yeah, well, I haven't seen the before and after yet, but that's what it looks like. It obviously did a lot of cleaning, so this technique really works good. So if you guys got crystals or stones with iron staining, use the iron out and follow these instructions, and it's easy peasy. So all right, just a quick video for you guys. Hey, there's my shadow. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Hit thumbs up, like and subscribe. Bye.